Bring yourself into center. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Bringing your awareness into your body. Shake your shoulders and relax and let go of your burdens. We're going to rub 2 points behind your head, which are your amygdala reset. Head facing forward, eyes closed. Just move your eyes to the left and visualize all your female ancestors, spirit guides and goddesses. Call on them for their assistance. Bring your eyes back to the center. Now look to the right and see all your male ancestors, spirit guides and gods. Call them to your assistance. Visualize them all here to help you, standing in a circle around you. Feel what it feels like to have all this help and support around you. Now we're going to bring in the sun energy down into the crown, and we open up the crown to allow in as much energy as we are able to at this time. Feel the warmth running down, all the way down from the sun, down into your crown, all the way down into your heart. Feel the love, feel the warmth, feel surrounded, held and nurtured. Next, we're going to bring up the energy from the earth and blend that with the other energies. Imagine it traveling up your feet, your legs, all the way up into your heart. Feel the support of Mother Earth. Amplify that feeling to be as strong as you possibly can. Feeling the support of your spirit guides who are here to assist you, to help you. The earth and the sun supporting you, nurturing you. Now fold your hands over each other, reaching for each shoulder, and lean forward, bringing your shoulders in and stretching your back and the back of your heart center. You inhale, and each time you exhale you sink a little deeper, relaxing, feeling supported, almost suspended. Only go as far as feels comfortable. Feel that letting go sensation, letting go of the old you. And then when ready, brush your hands down your arms, across the palms, and imagine pushing down your hands down to the earth, your shoulders down, and your chest up to the sun, and feel reborn with new support and all your spirit guides celebrating this new version of you.